Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is a how-to video for installing a Warn premium hub on a Dana 44 front axle. This applies to any vehicle with an older Dana 44 front axle, and these are the new Warn premium hubs 20990, and I've included the link for it in the description below, so make sure to click on that and check it out. Also, I'm posting weekly videos for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow along. Alright, let's get into it. The reason I wanted to change out to the new Warn premium hubs is I had an older style Warn premium hubs. I did do a rebuild kit on it, but one side, the detent was failing, and so it was partially engaging while driving, and it was actually starting to grind the hubs and engage the front drive shaft on one side, which is not good on your drivetrain. You should definitely not drive on it if you've got a hub that's partially engaging, and so that's why I wanted to swap these out to the newer version. It has a stronger detent, better design. The actual gear is captured with the spring inside the internal hub body, so it's a lot easier to install and put together. They're pre-greased from the factory, so you don't have to grease them. They should work a lot better this winter time. Also too, if you read the fine print on these Warn hubs, you're actually supposed to engage them and drive at least 1 mile every month or so to make sure that they stay lubricated properly and they don't seize up on you. So you want to make sure you go 4-wheel driving and at least enjoy locking these hubs in, putting it in 4 high or 4 low, and at least driving 1 mile to keep everything lubricated properly and operating properly.
The new hubs are already pre-greased from the factory and no additional grease needs to be added. Over-greasing hubs can cause issues with engagement. When installing the snap ring, make sure the ring sits in the recessed slot to keep the hub gear in place. I like to start off with installing 2 bolts and seating the dial to test for engagement before installing the rest of the bolts. Sometimes you'll need to rotate the orientation of the dial for proper engagement. If you still can't engage the dial after rocking the vehicle, remove the Allen bolts and rotate it 90 degrees until the assembly can operate properly. Once done installing, then repeat steps on the other side.
Thanks for watching this how-to video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Also, don't forget I've included the link for this product in the description below, so make sure to click on that and check it out. Thanks for watching.